We launched SEZs Enviro Labs and Consultants in 1996 in Yanam, the Evergreen Union Territory, to offer expertise in environmental pollution control. Having led the field of environmental consultancy and pollution control for over 25 years, our unparalleled expertise extends to the manufacturing sector, where we specialize in pollution control equipment. We remain industry pioneers from our headquarters in the lively city of Visakhapatnam. Since 2010, we have been accredited by the highest authorities in India. Through these esteemed bodies, we have secured NABET and NABL certifications. Our NABET-accredited sectors encompass a wide range of industries, such as mining of minerals, both Opencast and Underground, offshore and onshore oil and gas exploration, development and production, river valley projects, building and construction projects, and townships and area development, etc. One-stop solution for all environmental and pollution control needs. Our company's expertise in building and material analysis. We conduct various tests such as sieve analysis, compressive strength, water absorption, aggregate impact value, flakiness and elongation index, specific gravity, and soil analysis, among others. For those in the real estate and construction fields, our services are vital. We provide environmental impact assessments, EIA, to ensure projects adhere to regulatory requirements and sustainable development goals. From marine studies to mining surveys, we offer developers actionable insights for success. Our services encompass EIA and EMP studies, EIA report and baseline data generation, environmental social impact assessment, environmental management plan, MEFCC and SEIA presentations, environmental and safety audits, biannual compliance for EC, CRZ, CTE and CTO, and assistance with CTE and CTO approvals and renewals from SPCB. Our infrastructure solutions include the supply, commissioning, and maintenance of advanced monitoring systems for air and water quality, stack emissions, and more. Covering 7,500 square feet, our advanced laboratory is furnished with the latest technology, including GCMSMS triple quad, ICPOES, GC with ECD and NPD, UV visible spectrophotometer and FTIR, DGMS approved personal dust sampler, and dosimeter. Our team of seasoned professionals guarantees precision and reliability in all our services, from air quality monitoring to water and soil analysis. With seamless real-time data transmission and regulatory reporting, we help businesses stay ahead in operational efficiency and environmental compliance. Our consultancy services go beyond assessments. We offer safety studies, environmental management plans, and tailored solutions for every stage of your project. With expertise across NABET-accredited sectors, we are your reliable partner in sustainable infrastructure. Prefabricated STPs are modular systems assembled off-site and brought to the installation site, ready for immediate use. These systems are designed to process sewage through a mix of physical, biological, and chemical treatments, ensuring the treated water meets regulatory requirements for discharge or reuse. At SEZs Enviro Labs and Consultants, we don't just serve businesses, we serve the community. By promoting sustainable practices and empowering industries to minimize their environmental footprint, we are creating a legacy of responsibility and innovation. As we Enviro labs and consultants pioneering a sustainable future. Join us in creating infrastructure that endures through time, with sustainability at its core.